Okay, the old palette, that's not straight. Probably. So I'm back with another video. Who would have thought it'd be this quick? So today's video, I've decided to do something a bit different, as you might have saw from the actual title of the video. I purchased 3 things from Amazon's outlet store, which, if you didn't know that's a thing, neither did I until about a month ago. Thank you, TikTok. And I bought 3 tech products from there, and so I'm going to unbox them, see what I think of them, and if I do think they're good enough, I will do a long-term review on them. So let's have a look. So these are the 3 products that I bought. I bought a Amrocker, they're probably broken now. I bought the Amrocker DO3 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These were £10, so I don't know how great they're going to be, but I'm not judging a book by its cover or its price. We've got the BS-HK101 wireless speaker from Holker. This was also £10. And lastly, I got the LED strip light, the Lasis. I'm just going to put a screenshot in the video because I don't know how to say it properly without butchering the word. But I've got some LED strip lighting, which is 5 meters long. All these products do have a price decrease as they are in the outlet store, so they are cheaper than what they are at retail price. So to be fair, if those earbuds are decent for £10, I've got myself a good bargain. But I'm excited to see. I've just literally put that on my iPad. I'm not doing that. So I think we should firstly look at this wireless AirPod, the things that go in your ear. Oh, ASMR. I bet that sounded absolutely awful. Ooh, ooh. You know what? For presentation, for £10, fair enough. So let's see what you get in the box first. So this is what the actual box looks like itself on the front, and on the back, we've just got some details of the actual tech that's inside these things. So apparently these do have IPX6 waterproofing and dustproofing. I don't want to try it. Hi-fi stereo sound, magnetic absorption, and bilateral calls. It's on Bluetooth 5.0. It's 10 meter transmission rate. Playtime is apparently 5 hours each earbud, but you get 20 hours out of the charging box. So that's pretty good. If they've got like water resistance, then let's have a look at these. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look what this is. So in the box, you obviously get the AirPods, micro USB to USB-A cable, and some instructions on how to put them in your ear. Fantastic. So let's have a little look what these look like on the inside. For presentation, that being £10, I'm not mad. Like, I hope that you can see this and it's focused on properly. I hope. But with that being for £10, I'm not mad at that at all. So they connect magnetically into the actual case itself. So that's, I can hold them. So that's kind of cool. Straight in there, nice. I don't know if there's a way of seeing how or when they're charging, but we'll see. Okay, right. So I don't quite know what I need to do to kind of pair these. So it'd be easier if I actually read the instructions, but because this is me, I didn't. Lovely blue lights. I don't know how you connect them. Where's the... I mocked these earlier, but I now am confused. Ooh! I've got them! But will it work? That is the question we are all facing right now. Especially me, because this one's not working. Connected. No way. Okay. Ah! Well, that one's probably broken too now. So I will say, I pressed something. I will say that I've pressed something. Okay, let's just put them in. Let's go to Spotify. So these sort of ear tips aren't for me, like, in any way. Me and you are going to fall out! Right, so one of them just isn't working because I think it hasn't got any charge, so I'm going to put that back in there. And it's charging, so that's fine. Right, so let's put bass booster on. I hope this can't hear this because I don't want to get copyrighted. You know what? For £10, they really aren't bad. I get the setup process looks really, really messy. But if I'm honest, for presentation The sound actually isn't that bad. For £10, I'm impressed. I do, obviously, I'd like it if the case stuck up and when you're trying to show it, but it's like, flimsy. And now it's, yeah. So you can see both of them are charging in there, they're both working, they're not broken. But when the Bluetooth works, obviously it works fine. The ear tips for me aren't my thing. Those sort of, I like the ones that hug in the ear rather than the actual, the tip ones, because my ears are weird. So next, let's do the wireless speaker. And this one I'm a bit more excited about, because I need a new speaker, so if it's decent, I'm just going to use it for every day. Cool, okay. It's got quite a nice weight to it, actually. It's got a very nice weight to that. So in the box, we're getting a micro USB to USB-A. And of course the speaker itself, which is absolutely tiny. And what else do we get in the box? Of course, we get some instructions. Some instructions, user manual, which I'll probably need to use again. It has hands-free calls, wireless version, it has Bluetooth 5.0, 3-watt output, it has a 500 mAh battery. Okay. Stop being connected to them now, because I need you to work on another speaker, and I probably should turn off that song. Right, okay, so let's turn it on. Let's see if I can do this without...
Power on. Pairing.
Okay. Ooh!
Connected.
Right, I need to go on to something that has no copyright, because that would be bad if I start playing copyright songs.
Maybe once, maybe twice. Turned around to save the time.
Again, for its price, it's not bad. The volume's actually pretty good. The bass...
Power off.
Okay. The bass is not great. So with that one, I had to use it on the bass reducing equalizer rather than I like the increased bass. I like increased bass. So I like to use it on that, but I had to put it on that because it sounded very drowned out otherwise. And it is a bit tinny. But again, for it being £10, I'm not complaining. That is a decent little thing to take to a picnic or something like that. If you want to have some music, that's not too bad. I think it's just above something like an iPad speaker in terms of volume, but in terms of clarity, the iPad would still win, but that's a £300 product, whereas this is £10. Yeah, there's a major difference between that, but that is not a bad buy. I'm happy with that. I might give that to someone. Giveaway! No. Right, next we've got the LED strip lights, and it comes in this sort of box. I have no idea what's going on inside here. So that's the sticky tape. That is the thing that makes you do the thing. This is a plug. The remote is massive. I thought it was going to be a tiny thing, but no. Okay, that's bigger than the speaker. Where's the speaker got? That's bigger than the speaker. That shows you how small that speaker is. Look at that. What? Damn. We've got some other sticky pads and a thing with the things in it. And of course we've got the LED light in itself. And a thing that says, happy? Not happy? Both. So I'm going to get to work and install some of these. Whilst I do that, I'm not going to record because I don't want anyone seeing my fat folds. So I'm going to stop the recording for a second. So good news, I got it to work. I'm not sticking it on anything. That's going to be another project for another day. But it works. Ah. Let's try this. That doesn't make any difference. But that looks kind of cool. This is me and my green remote. Oh, there it works. It works. Blue, white. Can I make the brightness go up? I feel like I shouldn't have this around my neck when I'm making the brightness go up. But that's fine. I mean, this is £15. It's 5 meters long. This is a wonderful bracelet. But that's kind of cool. I like that. I don't know what any of the other buttons do, so I'm not going to do anything with them. That's cool. Okay, for £15 for 5 meters of this, I'm not mad. I just wish it wasn't connected via a plug rather than a sort of. Let's turn this back on now. But I think if it had a battery system, I might have to fit that at some point though. If it had a battery system, I'd be more happier with that. But I think just because it's not entirely battery-based system, I'm a bit sad about that. Because obviously battery is easily replaceable and you can hide it obviously amongst somewhere. However, that one's going to have a wire sticking down out of nowhere. But maybe it's the sort of thing I can put around my desk. Not sure. We'll see for future projects. That sounds kind of cool to me. But that's it for today. If I'm totally honest, my favourite out of the three is actually the wireless earbuds. This being £10 right now. So just to put them up there, I will link these 3 products in the description as well. So if you did want to buy them, you can. Obviously, I'm not. I don't get any money out if you buy them. It's just me reviewing these products and what I think, not reviewing them, but first impressions of these products and unboxing them and what I think of them. So for me, out of the 3, the AmRocket is the favourite. The second probably would be the LED strip, and the third would be the speaker. But all of them work. All of them are actually pretty decent for their price. And I don't really have anything bad to say about them. I'm shocked. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more of these because this was actually kind of fun. If you guys want, I will do a long-term review on those earbuds, seeing how long the battery actually lasts, how I feel it kind of works with day-to-day life. The ear tips don't quite work for me, but in terms of, I'd say, the speakers, the volume and how the music sounds out of it, it really isn't bad. I'm really surprised for £9, and I'm surprised they came in like a charging case. I thought they were going to just be like, here's a bit of plastic you pop them onto and you have to leave them there, rather than you carry around an actual case and they do light up. So for £10, not mad. So in total I spent £35 on Amazon Outlet, and I've got 3 decent products, so I'm happy. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell icon to be notified when I upload in the future, and as always, I will see you on the next one. Bye all!